Corporate attorney Matthew Nilo finding himself on the other side of the law.
How do you plead to those offenses, guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
The 35-year-old is accused of raping 3 women and attempting to rape a 4th. All attacks happening in the area of Terminal Street in Charlestown back in 2007 and 08. Today, the prosecutor detailed the 3 rapes in which 2 of the women mistakenly got into his car.
Once outside of the car, the male told her to shut up or he would kill her, and that he had a weapon. At that time, he flashed a small knife at her. He then drove to Terminal Street in Charlestown, where he ordered the victim out of the car, knocked her to the ground, and raped her. After they got out of the car, he tackled the victim to the ground, held a gun to her back, and raped her.
Nilo grew up in Boston, but was living in New Jersey, where he was arrested last week. Prosecutors say investigators matched his DNA to the crimes using a genealogy database, and then got their own samples.
FBI agents were able to obtain various utensils and drinking glasses they watched the defendant use at a corporate event.
But Nilo's defense attorney questions whether any of that is legal.
It seems that they obtained DNA evidence without ever obtaining a search warrant. If that turns out to be true, that's an issue that will be pursued vigorously.
Now, today, the judge set bail at $500,000 cash. That bail has not yet been posted, so Nilo remains behind bars. The next court date is a bail review, and that takes place next Monday. Live at the Suffolk Courthouse, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center 5.